In this video, I will guide you through two practical examples of dynamic properties. Dynamic properties are special properties that are displayed in DigiPara Liftdesigner only for the current component. They give you the flexibility to directly change dimensions in your project, for example, the height of a profile. Let's begin with the first example. Start by copying a reference or a 3D parameter of your new BIM component from the data tree for program. Then go to the Data Manager and open the profile group, as I explained in the previous video. Within that profile group, open the tab that starts with L_profile group properties. To add a new record, click on the button below and paste the DigiPara Liftdesigner reference value into the correct column. Make sure to delete everything in front of the L_, so that the variable always starts with L_. Now, complete the record with the required information. For instance, in the Action Mode column, enter a 4, which means that only values are allowed. A few columns further, you can select the unit, in this case, millimeters. A quick hint: the new content is saved into the DigiPara BIM library with a second click on the current tab. Now, let's test the new dynamic property of your BIM component in DigiPara Liftdesigner by entering a different value. Ready for the second example? Great! This time, the goal is to create a property where you can choose from a list of values. Go back to the Data Manager and in your new property, set the display type to Combo Box. With the second button below, you can add new rows to your Combo Box. Simply define the values and the text that should appear in the list. And again, let's test it in DigiPara Liftdesigner. You can now select from the Combo Box values you created and instantly see the effect on your BIM component. Thanks for watching!